Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi omuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Mbia mwana sana mwanchi muri wita seni Ensoko nechinga kinaende chingia tokumera na somo robeli wiki yage kyo mugusi elinde to gusanga nabantu obagutumanya obugima bwabo akirali tkonga kibore nabayigo mwanchi muri gereria ngakibako eroselia enyeria yabo ikaransa oike elinde to esemia mange gwetera omorobeli ganyora nabagotonyara gwetera asinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ensoko TV abega sensemeri ya YouTube gwetera Ensoko TV karansa oike elinde twesemie bageriria bene kwariania omogeni bwiri tukulianero atomanyenda kyakurukwa na endenga yakurukuruga igasorwa ngorwa gusi karibu sana
bia mono
abo kumanya mwanchi mulieria na kyokurukwa
itangani mandara manyi turakanga bjamona sokungare ganye station ye jasirieta mama planti ko nyoro na nyoro te ngoro kungaro gito den minju kaburo ngere kesabakwa ganya bali masaba abantu abangaini bagutoka
karibu sana umuntu mungaini okay arogito deni singya gukora ase ubugima bwawe bwakaralitwa
munondo tega ngendo mwarimu wesukure kwa St Vincent Omwari Secondary ya likonchali ase ngokole mirimo
kerikinde gikakengana na kikwa akorire mirimo yago yoborokia
aso Nyama Boys kana so Nyama Boys ndirende nkaroka nang ndumu burabu bagetobonen bagantini mbugu mate bonchali ena ligeto mwaka w'ekiro gwebera na 12 nakizindatera 2012 2016 kagenda bonchali sura ya sente mwari nona abeire ntari mu buraburu na giro iri in ranks ona igande kuno modepit.
Okay toreira na maiga keigo ngaigwa somerete ngakigwa kine tuguma bwabo bocha
akorwa shule ya msingi ama
shule ya msingi
okay ya mono Frida esabari ya nebu na ubito nabere pani itangani yona somete school yo musingi yankuru ku Gesabakwa primary naiwa masaba baka class 2 kabe party emberende omugaka tata agasira kera tunyora diketo kababuya abamame bagatubwatira akaboko bagatuira mate bogira ko mata ase school nagenta gusomera kurukunga Otendo primary kana somo Otendo primary abo ngwango ngulenda butwa kolemereria makuru yane uraira bono kurukunga bitengo kusikira nera meta nere agansemia ona ko ndo tenda primary basoma cyagero mo eti kyole ngalo kurukunga disto basangai hari mo mpaka bono na akatweire insights especially bali cyandegete ngasoma rende ngakora matema class 8 whereby nanyota magsi 4 98 ngakiyitwa ngakora mirimo 7 ari abari bakoreta bagenda Nyama Boys Nyama Boys bene no nkorete my form 4 akini rende ngachinkeba meta bana kusekala bali sukuru ngochoro kweba ngayuruete
kabisa ngashoro ko umira na nego ndagete
Unaitaya no sultan tamanyit. Kiano mwanafunzi ono lengi. But yako nde na nyorete tije tikwenyo no ninji. Lazima ngula taya abana no anchika ngosomia abana. Kula batemya ne akuara manyase kwa ruri. You know, I'm from a single parent. And I kile school nyama boys. Na evire. Na so ile group. Nkata kwa swachi group kitari kotaka kusoma. And abone gento kyang ndete bobe pineke gento runga relationship. Ichungula taya abana. My first time I got 2 or 3. Again to get fereti and then kula taya abantu. Is a relationship. Na renge omone bwa Kenya di rumah cowok. Una kata itu ngoncokan ni. But ya denge weekend tu yang kau ceraka. Tu juga prepare tu cakap macam na weeks time KCS. Gak cakap. Na wata guys kita yang guna list. Masuk yo na bang kau TV kone. Na begitu mabu anak sehari ani. Tole kuare mara kina mono changa ni mono changa ngo nyoma abana bangaina na sana
abuna matemo bo chigo kana kini kwa bangire nyomo ngakyo
yani mwana ntoji bona lienga kieria school chance petu akaigoreiru a week before KCS exam if I remember bona kwa nyona mumena ndeka bona moleka mwana musaberuwe kachikanisa mwana ne sukuru mojo kala mate but setan nakale tali monto rinse enja akamina rinse teve ngam nyolombe ke tu mabuga na so musikoyo ko na manyola te kale no monto kete bono nko ende sukuru nkanyora tingo nyako enda sukuru I remember keronde kisi town in the stage omuntu kitukongo ine principal yangu kumaini kangire sukuru ndani conscious pakete gondo warete lakini ne byenge bindu mbwate ne bya ebyo mwiseko yo
abune kero oero berti chokara matemo
no beru chokara matemo bono ne ko anti point 3 agana ngokora
okara no matemo aye ina chokore
na kiabe gone from there ende sukuru the confused there is only one person I shared with ngike stress angurunga just omambia o so bere kenyaria na Davis amura mna shared na barabwa lakini principal Timothy beti they took me under guidance lakini ngireti moyo onega to school I on Tuesday and the next Tuesday there was an exam and during our time exam for the first week all exams more especially when I got geography maths chem Swahili English and Quran that week akiagana matemo ani ngatatu ingama na bako la bere because bako kwa ntakete abere turi kwa ngora tatu so the first week nyago ya wete I want to so that's how I did my exam but then ngakora ngakora dende dispa nakora
tali ya kweli kerte
bona mateme kara soka ora mbege bwate frati bwataka antuna nyote ngango ngina university ona rene anyway mama kana ko ngaina ninja koreki ninja koire college akayo nganyora eke barua skunero arenge ekoro kuria mugunde di etora mugeta nande igumanyete ikeswe yaro na kenyuete ono ngosomie class ndegete akasuti arongi green ne shirt black no roche ko gimabori bwane boinsi baterende na bana jata ngosomia ngasomia mama nya konte mu jokoreki nje college lakini I knew na there were my followers na baba kanya bachi nyama boys tangu nyara bato
konyoro mini kira sense mayo mubu aha torira na maiga keiwa ekero kwari gukino bwana bwago ngwa maitenga litukeli mono choka bomworoke
to be sincere ande binteng kula taya bana binto biro to kote han kula taya bana nga you must have your dream aso ko tebe ken nchina tet ko ba lawyer lakini tinje ko ba lakini in life you must have another option 2 but I'm proud to be a teacher as at now because I can't regret if I regret then I cannot think what
Bono wachire kwa ngiri kibarua kyoko orokya. Kai wikirto kaenda bone college.
Bono tiamba tebi. Ane ngura story mukana ngura sa bono kunywera sa wenda to the public. A principal maina didi akagenda mpaka akachakulia abana bali bagwati grades. Mete I had a B minor. This might B minor that time. There is a way bango to get cut off kulingana abana wote the university. Wanyoranga bato watuna cheire mete ndo bagete mpaka GP plane takiwa na university mati yanyoreta sanity in the education system bono maina principal maina akanyakoba kunyakulia abana bali babwate good grades B minor and above batete kuirora maybe barosi the nini maina came to Kenya kondigia mama akamotebia agotoke ria mugunde eto nkoinyora ngakie iyo ria mugunde akeyo asenjo ndo muburaburu nde sana ngayo ba debut form 4 ekagere school yange private
yange private
ba debut yo na raburi gagi
no wacha ko bae
no tura story bon higa ibindire bikomo yake oge mo boko irwanira nande yoro kinga na bokonya no turi kunyara kolegas ngote yabantu ba Kenya kolegas ya nyasa itukiri mongo igorale bono nkabakanga mpe mo debut form 4 liba akeigo nkonyo gari ya nyamaua Concord gete chingere ne chingere kuigurwe ne chingeko kusangeri mechi akeiga sekretari kego class meke era principal ya lengo principal ya lengo era ya TSC ya TSC talengo akwante bi mugenaro utagete principal ke boteyo ayo mokonyi chwa kore chio motegere kagenda renda sina to bwate waiting day na mete ngorenga gananga service ngaikaransa na ko nyoro monto gocha my principal maina awande ngangi jana habari yako bana ko ndo kijana ndino mwali
ande debut
yesu ku ngafanya hapa nini aba mbole tiko anda baina wako na ngaigo motebi no ndege ngonya basome buno mwali murende nasikia you are debut akasaka ya
ana era taigene
unafunza nini nafunza somo la Kiswahili ya hiyo ndio somo lenye nilikuwa napenda hata wakiwa Nyamawa Boys. Jino muntu na anjete interview ya music. I did music. Na anjete interview. Omwali yo yakante binte keto ina school. Kama tayari school naende. Mede Nyamawa Boys it was a military camp. Okominyoka. Okoraga. Okoraga. Turko karansa ya. So I was looking at that life. Na bero mwalimu na nchengo taja bana kete grasi ni. Ananya Nyamawa. Kama tayari wote takuja next week. You know siku yana. Tamuani kaera. During our time registration yangu ukabere. Yangu tamuan na tamtoka tu iwire. That first May alikuwa yangu kwa kikosie. Tamtoka yaswa maina kachukunganya kanya tengo ngiyo. Ile ndo maina akolete. And that's my mentor. Again he came. Now he came with his car. Karacha. Agante it's now or never. And then that thing ya look at your family. Your mom go to college. Tago nyara. And you come to learn this later. And it is either we go or I can you. I'm not one day. Okay. Mwalimu yake ni mwalimu tata na
deputy kibalendo chake
batini kama tebia ekera ngeresa something came to my mind nikio mwalimu yako ndigereliga what I did kama tebia metina account for the last time I was being given 1,000
1,000
omotienyi yes 1,000
okay
na 1,000 ya motienyi
1,000 karore deputy wasekara kwa lengo mwalimu waseka
bano pesa kiose 1,000 2 or 3 1,000 inyaga senga mna chiri wisano tata 2 or 3 that 1,000 to me yange amana kama yango kana ngore koro to ngore sutire na ngoro kana no mwalimu from there ende kama tete ndayo gasechu akimeta korete agante unataka hizo pesa na hii shule itakupea kwe ile taka kambalira 10k I remember
ukabwata chibeso tanya kubwata
ngabe bari mu 10k igomne tonga for 10 months nero ko ngachi besia nga 2 3 4 agambo bono yande kwana tazao naswete galime akangina nyamawe akangina obisi akatebi there was a storekeeper from there ngaswete rasini and that's how my journey yoko realize that my future was bright. Yeah, the second time.
Oh, kaira ne school second term 90.
Kaira school second term. My index number na yo mwari P. As a school youth enga kitu akona 204. That was my index was the last one. Ikiaga na cheta register the late registration. And then jana kanta best. My no kanta best.
Chirwe chiko myaka yatenga ibiri.
Ichibono kanta betia bono tumia. Echinde bono agante when you want to visit your mom nimetoka Ethiopia ivanto kanga na tori mwanafunzi ayo ngochina kwe weekend kwa genda kwa ronesi kwa goma tenga ki kwa rubu ali
bigona wanyama mo minota chitiko manyanga gwatiro bwali mu
chitiko manya ndina mukane
okay,
but my name became my let me say na ngore to bumba bwana
ona ngwato manya bukarenga ekwa bwate kerengere ligyo koba school wachire gwa chakiro borokia ande kuiranire school ande gwachite kugenda gutwara ndote yuwe gwatete bona tiga kuri mbo morokia kugenda
maite bono egento kia bete in 204 now kero no konta matemu you know result came I had an improvement from my previous grade ebinto bine of course in my first choice na get law ibona kolengana Kenya nebugate kato unless you're going to parallel so I couldn't make it by the government on sponsor ngenda ngole law of course the first option was law because I had a B+ qualification in nine parallel program self sponsored na mwana okoraki and because of our meager whatever background I could have not made it to become what I dreamed of. But the second option was teaching in Kenya, and I normally tell people obwarimu osobonya gitari as my thinking did yote thought ngote kwa university ngoko kama utuona nyorega igas direct botegana lero banya salirende bakwa na marube kolengana mna nore oro muigu mundu gete
okay ono gakore kirasi 12 matemu gasoka ngai gwachere tukaenda gajoine college
when we matemu asogete na tikagenda Masinde Muliro University Masinde Muliro University ngaki yangu Masinde yangu kwa yuko Western University College oneka na genda ndororo na nagetu Bachelor of Education Science. Yeah, you're not color. Again, reader, this is very funny. I was not good. Just in the months of one. Yeah. Kasoro, katu aswaga alimete more first years more kala kile. Science Johnson. Mwa kwa bintu gete iga common courses njiro. Bona second year na limoko tawa tebunga bona chora. You are two teaching subject. I surprised many. Mtoma tia gete ngata masomo like chemistry mathematics. In high school, pego kwa mwana mugete naro nangete ongangete nene ngangaine bosa by the time atenda wanafunzi shukuru na njira mako nyana kwangire kama anyiko nyora ngaine bona free na wangu chonga nyori para ngonyora kwangete bosa hiyo yani damu haiendi pamoja but what I did I decided to do the subject mwa yangu so and that's quite as science is quite there as science Johnson pi umuru mungo kora bono kuru kem no na engel low in performance na what they play sakasana I remember the late Duke umwa anyote mubaso kuru paraga kisukuru wanga ngina na bana ba babiri some 2 years ago was my best friend kenda ya university Masinde Muliro twanga na nyama mabo boys agante bya akore kemu ya kemu tangu muri tugati na maboys tinki etukubwati ayo egento nakorete ngatebe ne ngotebe because also koriye yo monde kya gotebya aso umobo amuntu aragotenga ngogendo chako ni changabu otobwe osinga ocha goteba ngore ngento getotobwe ngoro batoboire. You know, most people we pay our life to batoboire onyande abamwanya abantu baitu ntwa kogenda igo twariye positive things ndoriye negative things kanga to prosper in life. And this is what I'm sharing. Again, to umuntu akanta kwa I get call. You know, I did it. We did up to, I don't want to, there's no time now to referral, and I thank God for that. There's no time now to go magisia na Misri. Botambi you must sing king we magisia ka Misri is nini. There is no time. God was on my side. From there, see, I graduated from Masina Memorial University. We became maths. And we had the same grade with my brother who was complaining that I cannot make it to after now, Masina Memorial.
Yeah.
I came, I teaching practice na nyakwata nyanchwa. And teaching idio korang I kana nyanchu na mo problem nde sana. You teaching practice na etu kababu na kababu no muntu tenta bana ba spiritual matters. Wana kala bai kuna call ile they gave me like barua ya mbio at Nyanchwa yangi next school. So I worked there. Kala kale barua I was split in Nyanchwa girls. After which Nyasai what she did aganda ko town yabo again to kora so masters.
Okay. Ndai tora bwatirira gabo ocho totevinga kero kwa ruga bunga chugwa site masters kero mamu binale kunya ko guide anto totevinga tuwati time kwa chitoga time mamu minonga bona watire oboro kya kwira dire school mbako ga join ya college bwatira gabo trasa somo tumakoma kaiga mbia mana sana manchu muri wita seni gensoko nigotagana tagusanga no mukonyi bw'umoro kyo monene ase school ya St Vincent Omwari iyo ganda tagotasemya ngakya konyorere ngeri ya kira litko na tasemire kurwa gachage to magwaye ukira bona gakondo manchu muri ile tetrasa sensema ya
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'umugusi. Eye Nensoko TV oboroso w'umugusi.
Byamano sano mwanchu muligirira ndengo kwaliania asentunda ya kabere singa kitaganda gusanga imeyo murubiri wiki agakyo mugusi asogenda tagusanga nero mukonyi bw'umworo kyo monene korwase skuru ya St Vincent Omwari yogenda tagusanga na indwe amange ko ndego kwaliania asentunda yega elinde tagendere gusanga amange Kwenye tarasa somo kama kego ndo ikira nga umina kanya usegeta okole masters.
Mama she's a very hard working mom. And I appreciate it. Kini kiona mo ile kia lakini kwa sababu sana kwa mwachingi utambe akada akisegeta swe masters and very sincere and enrolled in masters ngene rolo naende kugema ya ngoro kugema ya nyingi kusia kugema university gari Elon College ane nga attach yo wanu meta na kanyami shari be anyo abanyancho yo anyo yo kondo ya kugema university
abune kero konyo rotarali kura TSC
tinali na TSC ya tinali kuna ngeje kwati ya town ona got my masters Jomo Kenyatta building ito loke sa mtel kumate no Jomo Kenyatta ya wana ngeacha kusoma ro ngeattach kana kusoma ngumbu kwa Lewis I can support 2 or 3 ways. That's how I did it like that. And later now 2012 kanya na employment TSC
akira kwa nyanteri rube ko TSC bano liko hotainga kwa likiremero mobene nakikero kende ngikikoigweta.
And by the way, story kulikuwa na Nyama wa Boys. Very funny. And I applied to Nyama wa Boys here but I was not invited for interview. There was a lecture that went in Kugema, Wanyama, Wasirwa, Wanyama. Also, Nyama wa Boys that time. Rodengo TSC appointed at Nyama wa Boys. At that time you shared with me what way Nyama wa Boys and I don't know what interview Summit. But because I was not invited, come on, they didn't go in. You know, he told me. You know, in Assyria, there is a deputy Nyama wa Boys who he made a call. Of course, there is a time to not because he was my teacher. And were you invited? I didn't have invited. And there was something. The teachers, we got some powers. Out of that, by 80. Already competitor. No, I will live out. I can't know more. Okemwa, or one Neganya Bruru, and what to do, come for interview. I appreciate that. And you go more. When I can insist, the transport of what? I can 500. That's how, and I've been casual. That's all I saw. Get the group of Bugema, come your cars, and I'm not so charge. But my brother and I don't get 10 pesos. I thought I said Pesa. Come again, you won't pass the young. Actually, which I got up and called the chemistry maths interview. I can't tell one you. Como te ya entran de gold. Hagan de un potato and the break. In the Ninker. But that's how it happened. Wake a now, I got more. If I had a young group, Mosel Viga, I will talk about Camonena, not yet the Kenya. Because you're talking now. Won't the gun my Rakiga. Mosaga and Tevisawa. Damasakara, Carasso Cassini, Caria Combo to my own. But I'm in 3 minutes. May tawag this kind of lagi ako never we gas abantu ka kumbe nya kataba lagi enkwe wale gas
ayo ro watch ro katema
tina achira katema akianga nyuga yuno ngaswa gali ngaswa panel bakankorera iga in the next 6 minutes bakantegera out akai gotoko swa to so me bono bakaturangeria and I can't regret. Ako nya kurangira bantu number 20, number 10, number 9, number 7, number 5, kanyo ati number 3, kataya nya sai number 2. Number 2, antinyo. Bago ante mano montere gase rogito.
Kiko iwede.
Ai makiore.
Inyora nega si karo kwa apply tutorangiri interview. Wachira naende ko nyole.
Okay ni sasa. Aki ukweli. And there's something things what banya nyasaha kwa ina miraculous way yani ngora iko when I call my mom como te na nyoje gasi na my boys my mama kairia tesini just like that erega tegete ndiko keberesi
ngwegene ngakwanyo le boli gasi yiga go sekwa roche nga ngoko chiesera ba
ya okwegena kana utu mufata muse ekara kwa mteri mana kana ro gutanga sabona uri babwire asinge njaro musombo nyasaye nasna marura ora doubt ya nende basa
tena nama ga kego kwa mentioning angu kwa taka biashara ga kega apart from obo korobo ke kora tatebingo
wogi mobo bota ke iro kwerwa as much as you're employed employment alone cannot take you yani automatically salary of every month by the way I'm teaching you a lesson my MPS ye kana chagite my brother na cheta kana ino I had a good plan na kitu muso cha goro nenyungu mata no atro como socho nonga le mama ete nenyungu mata como socho na kita MPS kita one of my brother my over ko my third floor para mata cheta ngo ana masomo kisi university kama tayari buat tadi o sea que mokon no como akan ahora kana como raniri ende na daily whatever musaidia nyankonye batenda bantaba wash mpaka watu kungana ndi biashara iliane kera baje baka mungaina akora wa at one point ba nanyo atachiwe sagete kalanyo achiwe sagete akagoka tamanyeti but there is another time bona ba wash it 100,000 ba wash 100,000 kapaka tamana zilecho bona ngoma nyoro wande mu ngetocha lakini later kataka nyora basigari kwanya DCI kwanya watu bana kwanya ba doubt ni mpesa mwalimu bwatoboko was just wash so that's when in Asia get to mpesa and then take a wasikiri open na maiga kwa normal that's how
okay kola sayo kurinda apart from obo kebona
at this time in Kisii County I am like at course some course when somebody want to come up with a project insights on how to make a project and I have freedom with the talk also a PhD so our masters we want to do anything apart from meta watu wakita kero okora maras mokore masters na bo okora some this diplomas sinyagu wa public asegete you know I admire some people but over bonega professor agote diploma kwa tawara agote diploma yenye lakini sama wabasha kwenye wanapo tuseme diploma whatever tazena you cannot compete in the job market ne wantu nya kwa kitu kike basi ndike kutoka na county gaiga kwa ile gasaro kiao just like that so I normally write articles in Kisii County paid politics I speak my mind to the leaders where they have failed I will tell them here you have failed so I'm the father is Jopefu side so neringa kulika abana bintu getega mashairi ama chemistry maths teacher lakini you can be worried that again na kulika mashairi even in my school I'm the composer of the school anthem in Kiswahili gogo unga Mungu rabuka rahimu ibarikie umwari that is rocket yeah
wala mtu kira gari hapo kwa nini gasi yana lakini kirtoka chakwa ni bidii
okay thank you na ngote ipi Frida na ngote ya wanu waito osa ekasienda ko karamne be ahead of others sometimes you do things in your own way as long as you want to see the success of that farm or of that industry or of that institution. Don't work because you want to work for the boss. Do everything with passion. Maybe we cannot be different in our institute, in our where we are working, our workplace. sometimes think out of the box.
Yeah.
Now, I cannot do it Nyamawa. Nyamawa I was the boarding master. Abana basamete school abana kidomi sato. Sometimes nyo ndito no mwanafunzi kwa ali. Kero basamba kidomi sato. Me as a boarding master. Sometimes abantu bakugirwa magoso. Abantu bakugirwa magoso na chi boarding na abantu bali ngororo. But it happened, we were accused of everything. That time I don't want to say who was the principal because if I mention again it reminds me of mambo ingine. But there were some lapse somewhere. Took a case, but we were not in good terms with the principal because for him, he thought it is the boarding master who must have engaged us, and you don't teach them morals. You teach them morals. They will come out very clear. They will report. By the two necessary by the two gambo. Abandi bakaba tweeted batanga rogitone ro korete BCD. But I want to thank God. Those students stood by my side. They said no. Mr. Rogito is our when I was at Nyamama Boys, that's the time I wrote a book. Be a victor, not a victim. You already been to Frida, one science, I can go to literature. So they want Yani, and I was a member in the guidance and counseling department, whereby that department was led by Kashmir. I remember there's a teacher who was called Kashmir, who was the head of department. I could give insights even on Fridays when we had guidance and counseling. But now, I've been crucified because of the reason I don't know. So later, I couldn't make it to be in that school. You have to work with this teacher, and I had worked there for only 3 years. That's the story. 3 years. 3 years as per the TSC, you can never be transferred to another school because you must. The 5 clause can go very newly employed by the TS. Last move for 5 years, never transfer. So the board of management and whoever who are there, the TSC, whatever, now you have to work with this teacher. But I realized I had no peace.
The environment was not conducive.
The environment was not conducive for me. And again, they can go the other one, and they get in the public. Again, don't call it. Garigi, Jadanko, whatever, there is insecurity. They can accord the two and more tomorrow, or Corum Bolivia. Kiwa, Sukuru, you can correct in a from there, from TSC, Kagadawan or TSC, Kiwa, what more TSC, counter director Runga Bunde, Kagana Kagana. Sorubua, Korum, Socho, I know some of the Duanyama. Didn't go in Later, Bagakuana Kitau, headquarters. Ate mwalimu yako ranga na wate issues ya school yeyo security. Then my letter ya transfer. I got the own reason and the insecurity reasons. And that's how. Nikanega bunda kanga school chatu. Agante bindonyo. Agante St. Finas Women's Secondary School. And agante vi school nero ya lenge Nyamache. I can't remember because I had no interest in going to Bobas because Nyamawa it was at Bobas. That's how kind of Omar it was at the ship. One of white roads. I don't know what I go a bit to get a kaira. But I have an robot. I can Mario and a born Nachin and a so mari, and a so mari. Can get on Mari, a lot of one magazine. I'm very well some school. I remember one of the staff member of whom I what the Yavamu, where they are. I transfer. I'm about some school. Most people talk ill things. Others will say, Nacha to grab yarn stories, complicated, fabricated stories. Style. Like in our merit, a key prince by Arengo and group, the late Moya, Kurmagina. I know Yonka. Tamading I say to your body. In a sense, I met my mom, Kenya, and my children, and they are no Yonka. Now they were a lot of things, and in with Anumia Siasa. And take it to work. What I want is unit. I can go Cortegas and Dagan, they listen to going boarding. umwali boarding yalenge buya agantebi mwana ro boarding obyo kanya kumusira taza naso ya boarding akega umwali muya kaliku ngaswa fully boarding after which moya akagenda another principal akatunga wanja agate boarding director nando ka boarding director. Of course we tried. I don't want to praise myself. Maybe next time abantu bumwa ka bara china ba tenga rutana ka meto ekero ara segeto wetogia. I did what I did as Rogito. All of a sudden tokia bete na ende kula teyo abantu ekero muyo ekero si wanjara akwa anyota accident isunekalia akakwa mysteriously. So that's when to ikaranse panel deputy yale mayaguru kuonsando akaba a principal ndatumurigereria kirabe principal tokataka umwarimu getabe a deputy in charge of admin baru bare ngoro ebatatu baru they are certified with their positions obviously ye katika for around 1 week tokagana ne meeting tokateba nitugwate boarding master ogito tugwata nata DOS okuru kubarongo nato ekase meeting a meeting eyo kaera tutaru kuiwana ngoko ba deputy admin but on Sunday agandangeri otuko agandebia opportunity comes once na arenge principal kana age principal ekere kana nyore mesige menge yo kwa principal ngatiga and when I am seeing not becoming a principal, I'm here acting kero kwa nyoro opportunity grab it namande beti mambi aya kamuka tokemuka mambi akini kara konsoto mayango naro akodire TS kunya kweba kumobori ona batete ko ngang acting and nambe bigire mbate C3 akire C3 3 administration agantebia bateba ko ligere bari board I act in the new dispensation about promotions. Whether you acted even 2 days, you'll get an opportunity. I can tell you, the principal acting and they get a rule, and I had to assume the office of the deputy in charge of admin acting. Of course, you have a ambassador, and I remember Bandava
Baro Chosronya
Legacy. But you know, I acted for 3 months. The new principal came. Kubono, Mr. Chodo, Kennedy, Odero. You know, I was an administrator without any portfolio. Because boarding in a retoro, Montomo.
Yeah.
Bono, in this governor. But let me tell you, our principal was so resilient. Akaba silent. Akanyoswa mangana mangasana. Paka ango nang option tenga ki sasa wewe vitu unapiwa bwana nini? Mimi naona unafanya kazi. Kama darasani, mimi unaenda. Unafunza. Shida ni gani? Nikamwambia mimi sina shida. Sasa kama wanaona mbona sijakuwa ashamed. Honorende na wewe ataigo akaigorenda after 3 months na acha tena nagotebia I was just there hanging all of a sudden the senior teacher urengororo akaba transferred under some reasons akaba transferred ikoro ya senior teacher ka remain for 6 months kitabu at month and then all of a sudden I can surprise separate I can be with the powers I read from Nancy Macharia school it has grown. Our senior teacher is going to be Mr. Rogito Dennis Obenjo. It surprised many. And this one, I want to say, Mwako Yokoroku Achodo. Tariwa sangende chinyenge. Omekiri na kile usinekire. What happened now? Kana vile senior teacher. Na manye tenga in the next 1 year, Onsando was to retire. Who was the deputy. Buna retire iga. Naenda gantebi umuntu ko ba deputy admin. You know acting inside. Yeah. Inside. Umuntu ko ba acting deputy admin. lakini ni saidi mbekire deputy academics because now orengo mukoro ocha kumuteta kwa admin na vira lete samunini and in the letter of the BOM na be deputy judge of academics lakini ni saidi what I'm doing is admin. I think we are getting what I'm saying. So we were there in that office. I can be called people and it was a surprise. Kerong sandal tie and that it's good and they tell me they will need deputy as obviously ya sando judge of discipline now. After when the interview gasoka, that's how I was given a promotion. And I thank God.
Okay. Ase oboro kyogo igabwabo ngokwanira challenges inge echichia tocha apart from ichi chiri kwa bere bakonyora.
The ase nini education.
So,
in my administration. As an administrator. Nechi nyingi. One, you know, more especially when you are acting as a deputy, authoritatively, you can have abantu bako kuba some good insights for the colleagues. Me yawe metenga no muntu akototebia. Na metenga is just adikinensa nekiabusu. Those things happen. Others parents maybe when you want to administer discipline, you want to talk with the students and parents. Sometimes even don't be penalties to make the school. Some parents may not be cooperative. So those are the challenges we normally face as the administrators in a school setup.
Okay. The worst experience kiawa. Asimiri meyiga yago yobor kengirike.
Oh, my worst experience when you are a teacher, you need to be a role model. And some people may create issues ambazo zinakuletea maneno kwa shule. More especially when you are in a school with the girls. You can be given a setup in a situation. Like now, baba isekele sukuru, they can be sent or they can tempt you in one or the other. Like now I remember there's a time one girl gave a bad scene immediately karona ni ajete oyo achudo before tara ingia kanyore gente ngire school nga njero gitu nimepea msichana mimba no na mwisiko na mruzi lito within a span of 2 months. That's my last experience. Amangana akakwandika noje na chimada mjira minyoke chiko nyamyoke ngo ya uyu wana tugaye. You know, again to tackle it. You know, I was like, what do I do? And mete TSC again to karonga ki umwana kwane nga yes. Weta collect nyo to collect. Nkola bikura side. Oh, my child investigation. But I want to thank Achodo Kennedy. What he did, he was told, and they kept mum. Hakuongea chochote. So people were waiting for an action. He kept quiet, and that's the only thing saved my life. But I will never forget how it began. It began in a wrong way.
Okay. Aha, kwa kwanera abukare nga rispa na guturbaniti kwa moete ngoro ya mete singwa stoka nyoro ndende gali asati gali tio kama eri
story za rispa I want to say namutakia mema later lende kana kolete 2012 again mantra so TS Fleet na teaching practice nyanchwa okurukunga rairi nyachoti so abenya mira and it's a long story and then ngakiena to what tugo nyamwegere twite bitugo nimetenga abantu bana bareke tugo muta imide na ngurunga tugo chat no na afite to ikireti tugo yanga na WhatsApp geteiga no message omwali oya akangangale ndagantebya yanje ntageti no mwali orende nyasaye bunakale akero nyasaye tebino naye nasinganya kode nyange. That was 2012. We wedded and we have 2 kids with her. Okay. And I don't want to regret that mambo geto but no mwalimu asisukuru gete nyamire kurukutabo wendo second.
Okay. Akyorate babere supportive ase okini mirimo yawo.
my wife very sincere no muremereria by the you live with your family you take care of learners you know not taking more than 2 weeks that go again because during weekends nali abana bantu ko wewe attention because abantu bonse bakoreki bachire during the day winter ko komorora ari school it was challenging yaro but at least a time to wate kerero kyo mwana abantu bachite kuone agateka akiategete antebeti she took time kolane yokutonimo ojo tule konyaro renga rogito kero kina kanyama to mukungu but she came to realize that akara abantu bachite bono abantu mwange 30 teachers why to kwani umwana bakanyora how the united we are how teachers were talking about me nabona medoma mwana ko motanga mwalimu wege ruwete akore gasia a principal yoke ga come out very clear principal ko chabuo you know is also another plus geta gateba I took time to know his rogito he likes his work but then so far so good she's very much understanding she supports me in better mwari she always calls sometimes I forget even to WhatsApp her because of the role in Bugatti. Lakini she's a person who has come to learn who am I that sometimes igasi kongelea ngirapi paka nanyo ne biro no family.
Okay. Mbose mikiora ru gocheso mwanchu muligero lesko gali kerkenda semire mapara nimetenga imirimo nebwata makongwa yawo abo igomba ro baraboro kesko gali bunaye maybe baitire michando bune yigwa itire maybe mbose mikibori orabaye linde mba ko moyo batige mirime metenga mbaroro baliza imire
ya egento ndatebie mirime yonse okora never regret na ende iske mnako igorere no one teaching profession but yaba abantu baitu the only thing ndabatebi bategana pi omwana gwe school ngotarangara ngotere gusinga nyo gotete mukao nyo gotete tu mwana gwe school yando gore mukao gege uniform ina venga muno murero petrol that's always I tell teachers because I know there are some teachers who have been interdicted the only thing ora abuteru ese school ochesana abantu school yes school mangana yande ngano molebyo lesji ngangwa chieto kamukarama nao mukarame principal ayuna bako ba mokwiwana mokukwana mwewa lakini about students kinate yaba bari baito bakisi county na Kenya ngima tutigana pi another thing kende gions kebwa the challenge kebwa the reward yaya bintu mbio bile nywe fire gango boli ogenda foot ando tuare football match ebugate sawari moto ngaya abantu bakoramana ngaya abantu bagwakana baga na se friendly match usage ndo bacho ngane reward yo igo challenge ndi yonse okonyora on the way kendi yonse okokora manya there is a reward ahead and that reward will not come today the future the tomorrow is coming which is precious for you so we have to push on till the end.
Okay abukare gendo geroro gwakwanira nga nonyekero montara asemire moiga tigoe karakare tate ni na asemire mai
yeah na ndiko ura seka ntugetiriga ngora teyanda abana bakora ku school bachire bakwandaka tachiaganye nga matata na chanchorire kosi osige ntugetenga kwa korire kosi ngabano oreka o ikaransenga nchanyo legasi try your side also yani kwa hivi ntugetegana boko ando smeke no nebituma because they have I want to write for your project identify a certain gap in Kenya Kenya yetole as much as to one yeah in future like now CBE aje gochigocha it is a very good thing but unabona ngambungate ngwete ngore mai karakana because I don't think serikali nechiagache ikarakana asigete kulika abantu lakini as a person oke sabu gochimutua linga abana bati wasoka ngai bagocha okwigora yo karakana yao bagosoka obareto because CBE umwana okora form okora grade 12 that is my university oyu is for the job market.
Okay, kerekende deputy hase miaka 5 ile bosio ngayoro choraje
bia mna swali kwa mbori ngeto tu dreams ikalongo plan ko dinko erigero dinga in the next 5 years. One, I'm on with my PhD. I'm supposed to go to South Africa. I feel that I should be having my own business, which would uplift me, and maybe an associate professor in a given university.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Biemana sana so gusangana inte. Biemana sana mwanchi murigeria wigeta Seni Gensoko kwa bere ko gusangana inte ko toga chage to morobiriga go ikaboneka twikira omwelio no gusemeria kwanenga kwa bere ko kwimanya amange gwetera omugeni wito bwiri tukoria rero ne Kirubo Frida twara oburigeria borobia.
Taburingana y'ingencho kurwa somurubiri bw'kyage ky'omugusi.
Kondo mwanchi murigeria rero igasomurubiri bw'kyage ky'omugusi nigo twesemiri buna kende genskeli okora kebwate challenge bosio ngebwate reward yaye.
Taburingana y'ingencho kurwa somurubiri bw'kyage ky'omugusi.